Hey everyone, it's Mopar Keith. Alright, you're asking yourself, what is a Generaloo? A Generaloo is not a person or a place, it's actually a 68 Dodge Charger. Watch the rest of the video and find out how Generaloo changed my life. Well, I wasn't looking for a 68 Dodge Charger, but it kind of found me. My friend Tim told me about this car sitting alongside the road that just appeared. I drove up with my daughter one day and took a look at it. We took a little bit of money in a flatbed car trailer. I ended up bringing it home despite everyone's judgment of the car. It needed a little bit of work. It was basically a trash can, just absolutely full of garbage. Cleaned the car out. It needed a torsion bar cross member and some floor pans. Being in the restoration business for years, I was able to put together an engine completely out of used parts. I didn't know what I was going to do with the car, but I knew I wanted to make it run and drive. And boy, did we drive it.
So now stop till the break of dawn. Shirts come around, probably best to run. Fire in my eyes, can't catch me now. I'm young and numb, trying to have some fun. Don't judge me, you only live once. Home is in the back, so we gotta live it up. Party in the leg, everybody got it down, got it down, got it down, got it down, got it down. Run wild, I'm on a mission that I won't stop. No destination, but it's rough and shy. You gotta let me go, you gotta let me go, you gotta let me go. Run wild, I'm on a mission that I won't stop.
After owning the car for several years, it took on many different forms. I collected nicer and nicer parts, eventually collecting some very nice rust-free doors, fenders, and hood. I drove the car all the time. Eventually took it to the Belvedere Mopar happening, and I did trailer it to that show, but I drove it everywhere.
Cops come and get down, down, down. Get up. Can't catch me. I'm on a mission that I won't stop. No destination, but it's rough and shy. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go. Run wild. I'm on a mission that I won't stop. No destination, but it's rough and shy. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go.
As time went on, Generaloo became very popular. I posted pictures and videos all the time. 311050 mud and trail studded snow tires seemed to do the trick. The car never would get stuck. As time went on, the car became more and more reliable, but at the same time it became more and more rusty. The studded snow tires were large, but because of the rust, they fit quite well. So in our small town, we have 3 gas stations. I always took Generaloo to the Casey's, but occasionally went to the BP station. At one point, someone followed me and got my name and number and tried to buy the car from me. They always thought it was an RT and thought that I was doing it harm by driving it in the snow all the time. To this day, people still say I needed to restore the car. I never would and never did. After installing the mud and trail studded snow tires, I was begging for it to snow. The more snow, the better. Generaloo loved it. With the Sure Grip 8 3/4, the thing was practically unstoppable. And with the 3D3 and 727, I frequently smashed the pedal to the floor. Believe it or not, I did care about the car, but I also beat the heck out of it. This moment right here, I actually thought I did some damage to the car, so I pulled off. It ends up that the car was completely fine, and I went back out later that day doing the same thing. This thing's a beast. I can't even hardly get it stuck. Studded snow tires. Being a mechanic by trade and loving my Mopar so much, I installed a new heater core and manual choke. The 383 2-barrel seemed to start in just about every weather. This right here was a blizzard that we had, and after I was done plowing snow, I came back to the house, thought I'd give it a shot. She fired right up. It wasn't stuck completely, and with just a little bit of back and forth, it came right out of the snowdrift. So after years of refusing to sell the car, an offer that was too good to be true appeared. We decided to sell the car. Me and the guys went out on the gravel roads and took as many videos as we possibly could before the car left. Here she is, General Lou, always garage kept. Never left outside, never driven in the snow or the salt. She's in minty condition. Mint. And that was it. Our time with General Lou was done. The money was too good to say no, and the car went away. Goodbye, General Lou.